we have learned how color theory is an important part of a design. It is equally important to choose the right color palette that fits your design. Let us see some simple and effective ideas to choose a color palette for your design. You need to consider the objective of audience for a design while choosing the right color palette. For instance, selecting a color palette for a teenager can be different than for a corporate audience. There are many tools available on the internet which use the color theories about schemes to create color palettes for you. You can also use a web resource to browse the color palettes and choose one that works for you. Sometimes it might be tempting to use multiple colors, especially when you want your design to stand out. But you might end up selecting colors that don't have a relationship with each other. This will result in a rainbow effect with poor color contrast. So choose a couple of colors that show compatible relation and choose additional colors if you have a valid reason. Colors, when used effectively, trigger emotions and change the mood or meaning of the design. The colors are divided into groups like warm, cool, and natural. So, depending on your design, you can choose one of these groups. Usually, natural colors are used in backgrounds and warm or cold colors for the elements in a design. Desaturated or subtle colors look more professional. Sometimes, subtle colors are as good as effective as the bright ones. These colors help you concentrate on the content. On the other hand, bright colors grab your attention, but soon you will want to look away due to their strong trigger. You can find ideas for color schemes in all kinds of interesting places, right from art to advertising. With experimenting ideas and knowledge of color theory, you will be amazed at how quickly you can improve your eye for choosing the right colors.